Hi and welcome to this channel. So in this video I'm going to tell you that how you can install Visual Studio Code on your system. Okay, Visual Studio Code is an editor through which we can run program of different languages. Okay, we can run program that is in Java, in C, C++, Python, a program that is coded in any of the language, but we can run that using Visual Studio Code editor. Okay, now there are so many other editors also available, but why I'm preferring Visual Studio Code? Because this is the most popular editor and it is also available free of cost. Okay, so now we are going to discuss that how we can install that on our system. Okay, so first of all, what you need to do, you just need to download the setup. Okay, so I have downloaded the setup. Okay, I have also mentioned this link in the description below. Okay, you can just simply click on that link and you will be redirected to this page. Okay, now again that depends that which operating system you are using. For example, I am using Windows operating system, so I am going to download Visual Studio Code for Windows. Once you click on download, then its executable file will be downloaded onto your system. Okay, since sometimes it takes time, so I have already downloaded that on my system. I'll show that to you. After downloading, your file would look like this. This is the setup. This is an executable file. Okay, now from here we'll start the process of installing. Okay, till now we have just downloaded the setup and now we are going to install that, right? So what you need to do, you need to double click on it, or simply you can right click on that and click on open option. Okay, once you click on option, it will ask you that whether you are agreeing to the license terms or not. You will say yes, I accept the agreement. Then next, and next you are going to specify the path. Okay, by default any of the setup is getting installed in your C drive under users, right? But if you want to change the path, you can change the path by clicking on browse and then you can choose the particular path. Okay, so right now I am going to choose the default option only. Okay, then I'll click on next. Now it is asking that to continue, click next. Okay, yes, we want to continue. We don't want to create some different folder for it. So it is asking you whether you want to create a different folder or you just simply want to install. So I click on that. Okay, don't create a start menu folder. If you want to create, you can, else you can leave that part as well. Okay, then I click on next. Now I want to create a desktop icon so that I can simply, that would be a shortcut, right? So I can simply click on that, but again that is your choice whether you want to choose or not, right? Then you will click on next. Okay, now under next, see, this is the path where my Visual Studio Code is going to get installed, that is C under users, and this is the proper path. Okay, then I'll click on install. Okay, now it's being installing on my system, so it will take some time. Okay, so now it has installed Visual Studio on my system. I'll click on finish. Okay, once I click on finish, then now you can see whether it has been installed or not. Since I have created a shortcut on my desktop, so you can just have a look on your desktop that it has created that shortcut. Okay, and along with that it is going to open that Visual Studio Code for you. Okay, so this is my Visual Studio Code editor window look like. Okay, so from here I can click on file, I can create program that would be in any language. You can run that program using this editor. You need to, suppose if I want to run a Python program in this editor, then I need to install Python. Okay, but this is simply an editor on which I am going to run my code. Okay, so with this, I hope you have learned that how you can install Visual Studio Code on your system. Okay, and if you are using Mac operating system, then you need to click on this and you need to follow the same steps. Okay, that depends upon the operating system, whatever operating system you are using. Okay, if you like this video, then please don't forget to subscribe my channel for more such amazing videos. Thank you.